almost all the reservoirs, there is no water. People are suffering for drinking water, and also animals also, they don't have water, and there is no water in the bore wells. Even then you are giving such a hasty statement means you are irresponsible and you are not all bothered about the drought-hit areas people. Now, I will request Chief Minister, if you don't have money, give permission to our MLAs that 2 crores that grant. We are going to give money to the drought-hit areas to help the drought-affected people.
Sir, you are talking about drought, but people in Kola doesn't even have water to drink. But the district in charge minister of Kola, Ramling Reddy, is on a Europe trip.
Sir, I will tell you one thing. Nobody is bothered about the drought area. And it is the duty of the Chief Minister to give instruction to all the ministers to be in their respective districts and go around in the district and try to solve the problem of the people. But because that means you don't have any understandings with the Chief Minister, and Chief Minister also not all bothered. And you know very well that the Revenue Minister or Agriculture Minister not all touring in the state, such a severe drought situation.